Honorable Governor Ganeshi Lalji, my cabinet colleague Adaraniya Dharmendra Pradhan ji, the Education Minister Adaraniya Dr. Arun Kumar Sahu, the Chancellor, Vice Chancellor, all respectable dignitaries and dear friends. It is really a great pleasure for me that one of the important reasons which I am very much impressed by the great contribution of this university in the field of higher education. It is really a great pleasure. And also a pleasure and pride for me. The university is not only recognized on national level, but now this university is recognized up to the world standards. That is also a great achievement for the university. Dear friends, the knowledge is very important. Innovation, entrepreneurship, science, technology, research and skill. We name it as a knowledge. And conversion of knowledge into wealth is the future for the country. The technology is important. The resources are important. But the most important thing is the appropriate vision, appropriate knowledge is equally important. I always talking about the two important philosophies. One is conversion of waste into wealth, and other philosophy is conversion of knowledge into wealth. We can convert waste into wealth. It is depending upon the technology, innovation and research that we can develop, we can change, we can transform waste into wealth. I am from last many years, I am working on waste. And I always talking to the people that no one is waste in the society. No material is in the waste. It is depending upon the leadership, the vision, the technology, the research. Then you can convert waste into wealth. I am member of parliament from Nagpur, and in my corporation, 8 years before we start a project, and we are selling now our sewage water, toilet water to government of Maharashtra and getting 300 crore rupees royalty per year. So everything is possible. So no one is waste. If anyone is waste, it means that there is no appropriate technology is there, no proper leadership is there. And you get the appropriate technology and leadership from the education. And education is very important. And here I also appreciate in the university, there are 13 special research centers and 38 research labs. Research is very important. Our country need to have more concentration on the research. And I'm telling you about the road construction. 6 months before, one of the engineer from Malaysia, he met me and he present me a technology. Only in place of steel, they are using steel fiber in precast. And by that technology, it is possible to save 20% cost of flyovers and bridges. I immediately refer to it, our engineers in NHI. They are asking me a lot of questions. Ultimately, we have formulated a committee under the chairmanship of IIT professor of Mumbai. And I asked them to visit to Malaysia and please verify. After coming back, they give me the report. And now we are implementing that technology. The small technology is there only in place of steel. We are using steel fiber in precast. That is going to reduce the 20% cost of flyovers and bridges. So this is a result of new research, new innovations. We should think out of box. Dharmendra ji is our petroleum minister, and he is importing lot of crude oil for the country. I always talking to him, telling to him, and he is taking very, very historical decisions that we are making alternative fuels. We are making biofuels, ethanol, methanol, biodiesel, bio-CNG and electric. Even last 26 January, Our Air Force helicopters and fighter jet, we use bio-aviation fuel, making from Jatropha. Now in Orissa, you have got lot of non-edible oil seeds. Ratanjot, Moha, Sal, Karanj and Toli. You can convert into aviation fuel, bio-aviation fuel. Dharmendra ji was present. We have taken one spice jet flight from Dehradun to Delhi using 25% bio-aviation fuel from Jatropha. So this is the future of our country. And I am confident that our young generation is very competent. You go all over the world, everywhere, our software engineers are well recognized. They have highest reputation. One of the Japanese industries was telling me, when we have an interview for software engineer, if there is an application from an Indian student, without taking interview, we immediately select him. I don't know the reason, but what is the thing that Indian software engineers prove to be very, very competent in the world. Out of 10 good doctors, out of 10 doctors in USA, the 4 doctors are Indians. We have got everything. But the problem is that we are a rich nation with a poor population. The strong political will we need. We need good knowledge. We need good research. And we need good initiative and good leadership and good policies. And that is the reason that you are the future of our country. Whatever the expenditure we are making on education, it is an investment. It is a capital investment for the future. And your contribution, your approach, your vision in the different field of the country, I am confident that it is going to give tremendous profit, tremendous support to the country. I will request you one of the things that better way, if it is possible for you to more concentrate on agriculture. I am a minister for MSME, and at the same time, we have a very back history, good record. Now the country is facing the problem of poverty, unemployment. And it is, we can make it. Our country is economically strong. The only problem is that we need innovative, appropriate policies for that. And here we can change our agriculture. We can change our forest. And we have tremendous potential that we can make India economically strong, a super economic power in the world. So the knowledge is the most important thing. And we have got the laboratories, the research laboratories, everything we have. But our people are doing really extremely well. Our nuclear scientists, everywhere, you go into any field of the society, everywhere, now the country is changing. And it is really important for all of us. The most important thing, the knowledge is important. But at the same time, our basic strength is value-based education. That is also important. Only knowledge is not sufficient. With the knowledge, at the same time, we need the persons having good character. Chal, chalan, vyavhar and charitra is equally important. So knowledgeable is equally important and the character is also equally important. We have a history, itihas, virasat and sanskruti. And that is really a pride for all of us. And that is the unique thing in India, that we are very, very different from other countries. And this value-based education with knowledge, with science, technology, innovation, research, everything, it is going to be a very, very appropriate combination for the future. And I am always feeling that the students who are here, you are the future of our country. You have got tremendous potential. Your positive attitude and your credibility is very important. I remember one thing in my life. When I was a minister in Mumbai, Maharashtra, at that time I was constructing Mumbai-Pune Express Highway and the Worli-Bandra Ceiling Project and 55 flyovers in Mumbai. I don't have money with the government. So at that time I decided to raise money from the capital market. Everyone was laughing to me. I was there in one press conference. I was rejected the tender of Reliance Industries. Dhirubhai Ambani was there at that time. He quoted for 3,600 crore. I'm talking about 96, 97, 98. So we reject the proposal and decided to complete this project with government, and we have formulated one MSRDC, Maharashtra State Road Development Corporation. In one of the media, people ask me, how much money you have? I tell them 5 crore rupees. how much amount it will require for you to complete this project. I just say it is 1800 crore. And the cost of the project which was offered by Reliance was 3600 crore. So we reject the proposal. We say, yes, you have 5 crore rupees and you are going to complete this project. How much time it will take? They were 2.5 years. Every media people was laughing. What is it with you? How you can claim this? And how it can be possible? I was very much disturbed. I give one answer. If there is a will, there is a way. And if there is no will, there is only survey, discussion, seminar, committee, subcommittee and research group. So my strong political will is the only strength for me, and I am confident that we will complete the project. And dear friends, we complete the project 2.5 years with the cost of 1600 crores, saving 1000 crores, and that road to be proved to be one of the first express highway in the country. So the positive attitude, confidence, transparency, time-bound decision-making process, and the teamwork is very important. And I feel that this is the future of our country. We are marching towards to become India as a super economic power. It is only on the basis of people like you. And I am confident our future is bright. You are very lucky people that you are getting good university. In the country, we need thousands of universities like this, thousands of research laboratories. And now this is the need of the country. And only my request is, if it is possible for you, to make more concentration for rural, tribal and agriculture sector. The huge raw material is available. We can make miracles. We can eradicate the poverty. We can create more employment potential. And we can contribute in our growth. But we need to have a specific vision for that area. The socially, economically, educationally backward area, this is not a good picture for the country. We need to change it. And we are capable to change it. And people like you with your new innovation and research, you are definitely going to change it. So really, I feel proud that I am here. Really, it is a great thing that the university's infrastructure is very, very excellent. And at the same time, the university is well recognized, not on only national level, but university is recognized in world level. God bless you. Best luck all of you. I am wishing a best luck. Thank you very much. Namaskar.